Ready to capture stunning photos and videos? Have you ever wished you could capture life's precious moments with incredible detail and clarity? Or maybe you've dreamed of filming cinematic quality videos to share your unique perspective with the world? The Canon Rebel T7i is a fantastic camera that can help you achieve all of this and more. This powerful yet easy-to-use camera is perfect for both beginners and those looking to step up their photography and videography game. A camera that grows with you. One of the things that makes the Canon Rebel T7i so special is its versatility. It's designed to adapt to your evolving needs as a photographer. This camera is packed with features that cater to a wide range of skill levels, from automatic settings for beginners to advanced options for seasoned pros. It has it all. Whether you're just starting out or you're an experienced photographer, the T7i has something to offer. It's perfect for capturing everything from family moments to professional shoots. It features a user-friendly interface with helpful guides and tips built in. These guides are like having a personal tutor right in your camera. This makes learning the ropes a breeze, even if you've never picked up a DSLR camera before. The step-by-step instructions ensure you're never lost. As your skills develop, you can delve deeper into the camera's manual controls. These controls give you the freedom to experiment and grow. This allows you to fine-tune your settings and unlock your full creative potential. You can adjust everything to match your vision perfectly. The Canon Rebel T7i is a camera that grows with you, providing the tools you need to capture stunning images and videos every step of the way. It's more than just a camera, it's a partner in your photographic journey. Image quality that wows. The Canon Rebel T7i is designed to deliver exceptional image quality that will leave you in awe. At the heart of the Canon Rebel T7i is a powerful 24.2 megapixel sensor. This sensor is the key to capturing those stunning high-resolution images that photographers crave. This sensor captures an incredible amount of detail, resulting in stunning images that are bursting with color and clarity. Whether you're photographing a vibrant landscape or a delicate flower, the level of detail is simply breathtaking. You'll be amazed by the quality of your photos, whether you're shooting breathtaking landscapes, vibrant portraits, or intricate details. The Canon Rebel T7i ensures that every shot you take is a masterpiece. The large sensor also excels in low light conditions, allowing you to capture crisp and clear images even when the sun starts to set. This means you can continue shooting well into the evening without worrying about losing quality. Speaking of low light, the Canon Rebel T7i has a maximum ISO of 25,600. This high ISO capability is perfect for those challenging lighting situations where you need to maintain image quality. This means it can capture usable images in extremely dark situations. Whether you're shooting the night sky or a dimly lit room, the Rebel T7i has you covered. However, I recommend keeping the ISO as low as possible to minimize noise or grain in your images. High ISO settings can introduce unwanted noise, so it's best to use them sparingly. A good rule of thumb is to use the lowest ISO that allows you to use a fast enough shutter speed to avoid blurry photos. This balance will help you achieve the sharpest, clearest images possible, ensuring your photos always look their best. Imagine being able to capture a fast-moving subject like a bird in flight with stunning precision and detail. The Canon Rebel T7i is designed to make this a reality for photographers of all levels. Or consider an athlete in action, moving at high speed, and you want to freeze that moment with perfect clarity. The Canon Rebel T7i makes this possible with its impressive continuous shooting speed of up to 6 frames per second. This means you can hold down the shutter button and capture a series of images in quick succession, ensuring you don't miss a single moment of the action, increasing your chances of getting that perfect shot. This feature is incredibly useful for capturing action shots, whether it's sports, wildlife, or any fast-paced scenario. Ensuring you never miss a fleeting moment, the continuous shooting mode is a game changer. It's also great for photographing children and pets who are always on the move. With the Canon Rebel T7i, you can capture their playful antics and spontaneous actions effortlessly, preserving those precious memories forever. Getting sharp, in-focus images is crucial for any photographer. The Canon Rebel T7i boasts a 45-point all-cross-type autofocus system, which is designed to quickly and accurately lock onto your subject. This means you can spend less time worrying about your focus and more time composing your shots. Whether you're photographing a single subject or a complex scene, the T7i's autofocus system will help you achieve tack-sharp results. This is especially helpful for beginners who are still learning the ropes of manual focusing. The Canon Rebel T7i isn't just a fantastic stills camera, it's also a capable video camera. It can record high-quality video at a resolution of up to 1080p at 60 frames per second. This allows you to capture smooth and cinematic footage, perfect for sharing your adventures online or even creating short films. The T7i also features a dedicated microphone input for recording high-quality audio. This is essential for anyone serious about video creation, as good audio is just as important as good visuals. The Canon Rebel T7i is more than just a camera. It's a gateway to a world of creative possibilities. With its impressive features, user-friendly design, and ability to capture both stunning photos and videos, the T7i is the perfect tool to help you share your unique vision with the world. Ready to start your photography and videography journey with the Canon Rebel T7i? Head over to Amazon today and check out this incredible camera. You won't be disappointed.